Hello. Is something wanting, Mr. Buzz? Are you wanting something?
Even more special are the people who support us. Will you join them by giving £3 a month so we can help more sick children?
What could you be after?
£3 a month will help provide special family accommodation.
Is it possibly
It will
tea
help buy
time?
the
Is that what
latest
it is?
equipment.
Is it 4 o'clock?
Find a special place in your heart
Is it
for
tea
Great Ormond Street Hospital.
Is
Please
it
call
tea time?
0800 44 42 44
Oh.
or go online now and start giving £3 a month.
Tea time?
Thank you.
Tea time for Buzz? Is it tea time? Yes? Oh yes, and no. Mr. Buzzy tea time.
Jog on, kitties.
Getting desperate, aren't you, kid?
Choosing the right motor insurance